Welcome back to the BeFitNow channel. Robert here, your certified personal trainer, and today we're going to feature rear deltoid exercises. In my 22 years of training, often the rear deltoid is forgotten. That creates an imbalance across the joint that can lead to a whole lot of other problems. By focusing on the rear deltoid, what we can do is keep the muscle symmetrical, balanced, and strong. Let's begin. An excellent rear delt exercise using the Landmine attachment on the Relentless Machine are rear deltoid rows. Now, it is a row motion, but we have to be sure we're not using our back. So we're going to make sure our elbows are extended and we maintain a nice 90 degree across the joint throughout the entire movement. To do the rear delt rows, you're going to need the Olympic bar and bumper plates. If you don't have these accessories, be sure to visit the website. In Canada, it's BeFitNow.ca, and in the US, it's BeFitNow.us. Setting up, we're going to assume a crouch position. We're going to hold a strong core, and we're going to make sure we maintain a strong pelvis. We're going to pelvic tilt slightly to maintain that natural curve in the spine. We want to protect our back through this movement, so be sure that you don't feel any pressure in your lower back. Extending my arm out, assuming my 90 degree position, I'm going to row until my elbow passes or is in line with my shoulder. Face pulls using the cable feature on the Relentless Machine is an excellent workout to really target those rear delts. Standing tall, we're going to grab the rope, and if you don't have a rope, be sure you go on the website, BeFitNow.ca or BeFitNow.us, order your rope. We're going to grab it with an overhand grip. We're going to raise it to our forehead height or just above our forehead, and we're going to pull towards our ears, keeping our elbows high. That's going to be the movement. The ideal height position is to be slightly higher than your forehead. Now, if you're really tall and the upper limit prevents that from happening, you can do the movement kneeling on the ground. So that'll compensate for the height difference. So if I'm too tall, kneeling down, I have more options to set up for the face pull. Here I can feature it standing, so let's begin. Continuing with the face pulls, we're going to add an isometric hold with a dynamic extension. The longer you can keep a muscle under tension over time, the better the development. Let's begin. Another great rear delt exercise is the one arm extension using the pulley feature on the Relentless Machine. I've set the pulley up so it's shoulder height. I'm going to grab the rubberized part of the cable, and then I'm going to extend my arm completely across the body. Let me show you how it's done. All right, standing tall. This is our starting position. We're going to go full extension and return. Remember to control that negative. Rear deltoid extensions using the Smith feature on the Relentless is an excellent way to hit both the rear delts at the same time. You're going to set up the pulleys so they're shoulder height. You're going to grab the handles and you're going to extend your arms fully back, squeezing those shoulder blades together. Let me show you how to do it right. Another great rear deltoid workout is bent over shoulder extensions using a bench. This really supports your back. Remember, you can always pick up the accessories you need at BeFitNow.ca or BeFitNow.us. Be sure to pick up your dumbbells to do this movement and your BeFitNow bench so you're ready to go. Let's show you how to do it correct. Setting up for the exercise, we've set the bench to an incline angle. We've straddled the bench, we have our dumbbells in hand. We're going to lean forward and bring our chest to the top of the bench. Let me show you how it's done. Let's begin. Keeping a straight arm, we're going to fully extend the weights upwards. Control that negative, explode into the positive. Today, we featured some really great rear deltoid exercises. We want to promote excellent joint health and full muscle development and symmetry across the joint. If you have any questions, make sure to place them in the comment section below. And remember, like, comment, subscribe. Be fit now, stay strong.